For centuries, natural cobblestones have shaped the paths beneath our feet, became symbols of strength, character, and timeless beauty. Inspired by this enduring legacy, Unistone proudly introduces Claystone for the first time in India. Porcelain cobblestones that capture the authentic soul of natural stone, crafted for the evolving needs of modern architecture. Manufactured from natural clay in Unistone's own production facilities and fired at approximately 1150 degrees Celsius, ensuring exceptional final product quality and performance. Unistone Claystone offers 4 size formats, 3 thickness options, 4 textures, 2 surface finishes, a range of 18 different color shades, and also available in Platinum series for extra strength and exceptional load bearing. Here are the 4 size formats: 6 inches by 6 inches,
4 inches by 8 inches,
8 inches by 8 inches,
and 8 inches by 12 inches.
Designed for different paving needs and layout preferences. Comes with 3 thickness options of 12 millimeters for pedestrian traffic, 16 millimeters for light vehicular movement, and 20 millimeters for heavy truckloads. Available in 4 premium textures: smooth, linea, stonia, and sandblast. 2 elegant finishes: natural matte for a natural, authentic look, and silky glazed for minimal maintenance and exceptional cleanability. And available in 18 different shades, thoughtfully curated across 6 distinctive series. The terracotta series includes light terracotta, medium terracotta, and dark terracotta. The gray series includes light gray, medium gray, dark gray, and Delhi stone. Next comes Cotswold series, which includes Dolpur, Cotswold, and dark Dolpur. The brown series include 2 shades, light brown and dark brown. The Granito series includes gray granito, sandy gray granito, light red granito, and red granito. Unistone also offers the Platinum Series Claystone, our special high-strength paving tile range, having the highest compressive strength for heavy vehicular movement. Available in 2 robust shades, charcoal and ash gray. Unistone Claystone meets the evolving demands of modern paving with exceptional durability, refined aesthetics, and reliable long-term performance. An example of Unistone's commitment to innovation in modern hard landscaping solutions. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.